have received bomb threats. The first call, as we understand, was made around 4:30 a.m. Delhi Fire Brigade and police are on the spot. Nothing suspicious has been found so far. More details are awaited. But once again, hoax bomb threats being sent to schools in Delhi. So details coming in that private schools in the national capital, at least 3 schools in the national capital, received hoax bomb threats. These schools are the Modern School, the Cambridge School in the national capital. According to the fire department, Delhi Fire Department, the first call was received from Bhatnagar International School. The second call was received around 6:23 from Cambridge School, which is located in Srinivaspuri area, and finally the third call was received around 6:35 a.m. From the DPS school. Let's go across to Piyush joining us live on the broadcast. Piyush, all of this seems like a pattern now. Hoax bomb threats that are being sent to prominent schools in the national capital.
It does seem to be a pattern indeed, Samiksha, and unfortunately this pattern does not seem to end. This dangerous pattern does not seem to end. Just this Monday, we saw that how 40 educational institutions in national capital were targeted with these hoax messages, and where it was felt that it's going to end. Unfortunately, it does not seem to end, and now again we have witnessed that at least for now, there have been around 4 educational institutions where prominent schools, that includes the Cambridge School, the DPS School east of Kailash, as what we've been told, the Modern School, and several other educational institutions now have been targeted. Now it's going to be a big challenge for the law enforcement officials to get hold of these culprits who are sending these hoax messages and thereby causing the panic, because this is a dangerous pattern. It's also a big challenge for the law officials to investigate the matter, because as we know that such kind of incidents have occurred in the past, and unfortunately there have been no culprits that have been caught, even as there have been several of such incidents that have occurred. Back to the studio.
Stay with us, Piyush. Just a quick follow-up question. We understand that there is, as you mentioned, a dark web link which has been mentioned in the emails. Talk to us about this dark web angle which has surfaced when it comes to these hoax bomb threats being received by the Delhi schools.
In fact, while I speak, I would just request my video journalist to just show the visuals of one of the school, unfortunately, which has received this bomb hoax threat, Samiksha. Now, this is the DPS school east of Kailash, which has received the bomb hoax messages, and you can witness that there is also a bomb detection team of the Delhi police which is present over here, and you can understand the kind of panic which is being caused over here. In fact, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be having a word with some of the people if they feel comfortable. क्या अभी आप सहज महसूस करते हैं बात करने के लिए? आप क्या यहाँ के परिजन हैं?
नहीं सर, अभी कोई बात नहीं कर सकते हम इस बारे में.
So you can see that how people over here are slightly inhibited, slightly मैम, आप अभी अपने आप को सहज महसूस करेंगे हमसे बात करने के लिए. एक बॉम्ब होक्स मैसेज आया है. अभी तो मेरे ख्याल से बस होक्स मैसेज ही है कि एक फर्जी मैसेज भेजा गया, लेकिन आप इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सर हमें तो कुछ पता नहीं अभी.
आपके बच्चे पढ़ते हैं यहाँ पे?
बच्चे पढ़ते हैं पर अभी कुछ पता नहीं हमें.
अच्छा, आपने अपने बच्चों को मतलब आज
बच्चे आए नहीं है. बच्चे
आए नहीं. आपको पता कैसे चला कि मतलब यहाँ पे एक मैसेज है जिसमें मतलब बताया गया कि बॉम्ब होक्स मैसेज?
हम खुद ही यहाँ जॉब करते हैं, अभी खुद ही बाहर हैं, हमें अंदर नहीं गए, हमें कुछ पता
बताया नहीं गया. अच्छा, पर आपको पता कैसे चला कि यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा है?
गाड़ी वाड़ी खड़ी थी, हमने अभी देखा है तो यहीं खड़े हम बाहर, हमें पता नहीं.
So here you just saw that how employees and how parents who are studying over here at the DPS east of Kailash have been told of how there is a bomb hoax message that is circulating, and you can see that what kind of situation is over here. In fact, what we are going to be doing is we are also going to be having a word with one of the parent if it's possible. Sir, एक मिनट आप चलो ठीक. So yes, you can also witness that there is also a Delhi fire service vehicle over here just to make sure that all precautions are being taken care of. Along with this, there is also a bomb detection team of the Delhi police. So yes, you can see that how actually entire precautions is being taken. But once again, as I said, Samiksha, this causes panic, this causes fear, this causes confusion, and ultimately now it is very incumbent, it is important upon the Delhi police and all the law enforcement officials to make sure that they get hold of the culprits who continue to create this menace. Back to the studio.
Yes, stay with us, Piyush. If you can, for the viewers also who are tuning in, once again tell us about these 4 schools that received hoax bomb threats, one, and also once again talk to us about that dark web angle which is being looked into by the Delhi police.
2 important questions, and while I speak, I would just request my video journalist to show the visual of one of the school that has received the bomb hoax message. Now, this is a prominent school. This is Delhi Public School, east of Kailash. And this is one among the 4 schools that what we have been told has received a bomb hoax message. In fact, you can understand the kind of panic which has been caused because of the bomb detection team and also the Delhi Fire Service vehicle that is present over here. And you can see from here that what kind of panic is being caused with a lot of employees and even parents now present over here. Along with this, what we have also been told is that there is Cambridge School, there is Modern School, there is Bhatnagar School, which has been also received the bomb hoax message. The second important aspect is the dark web angle which you have mentioned. And while I speak, I would just request my video journalist to show this thing. आप यहाँ के employee है?
हाँ जी।
कैसे पता चला आपको कि यहाँ पे bomb hoax है?
हमें वैसे पता नहीं है अभी कुछ भी बम है कि नहीं, बस हमें बाहर खड़े होने के लिए बोला है।
किसने बोला आपको बाहर खड़े होने के लिए?
हमारे स्कूल का स्टाफ।
आप कुछ बोलना चाहेगी? आपको कुछ पता? आप डरिए मत, अगर क्योंकि देखिए अगर आप बोलेगी नहीं तो लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि आप डरेगे नहीं। ये जो बॉम्ब होक्स मैसेज भेजते हैं इनको पता होना चाहिए कि आप डरेगे नहीं। आप कुछ बोलिए।
सर कुछ नहीं बोलना।
आप कुछ बोलना चाहेगी?
नहीं सर।
कुछ बोलना चाहिए? ठीक है। So here you can see that the employees over here are timid. They are confused of what exactly has happened. But yes, as far as the dark web element is concerned, these anonymous groups which send these hoax messages, these people are untraced and they do it through dark web because the source by which they send these messages is through the virtual private network in which you just do not know the source of the people who send such kind of messages in bulk and create this nuisance. So thereby it becomes a major challenge for the law enforcement officials to get hold of the culprits. It is also important to note, Samiksha, this is not for the first time when such kind of nuisance has occurred in the educational institutions in Delhi. In fact, in the month of February, there were over 200 schools that were targeted across NCR and there has been no arrest of that case also. So yes, it's a big challenge in form of law enforcement officials and thereby now it would be important that the law enforcement officials get hold. In fact, while I speak, I would again just request, you can see the visuals over here. कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे क्या? अभी सब कुछ ठीक है? सब कुछ ठीक है? ओके, सब ठीक है हमारा। सब कुछ ठीक है ना? सब ठीक है। चेकिंग हो गई है? चेकिंग चल रहा है। चेकिंग चल रहा है? कितनी टीम्स है बता दीजिए। So yes, you can see that checking over here is going on, and as they say that they are not fearing, but again it does create a lot of panic. Back to the studio.
Right. All right, Piyush, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you for more details. For now, we switch focus to the big story that we are tracking. This is the constitution debate that begins in the lower house today. It is a 2-day debate on constitution that will be led by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh. In fact, the address by the defense minister will be given at 12 p.m. at noon, followed by top NDA leaders who will be speaking in the lower house. These include H.D. Kumaraswamy, Shrikant Shinde, Shambhavi Chaudhary, Rajkumar Sangwan, Jiten Ram Manjhi, Anupriya Patel, Rajiv Ranjan Singh, who will be the speakers from the NDA.